In this video, we're diving into a comprehensive review of GoHighLevel. The marketing and sales landscape evolves rapidly, and tools that were cutting edge a few years ago may now be outdated. GoHighLevel has gained popularity as an all-in-one platform for agencies, consultants, and service providers. But is it still worth your investment? What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we're here to help you master GoHighLevel. Today, we'll explore GoHighLevel's features, pricing, pros, cons, recent updates, and if it's going to be the right platform to fit your needs. Now, have you ever been excited about a software only to find it lacks features, has hidden costs, or doesn't deliver as promised? That's why reviews matter. We're looking at GoHighLevel with fresh eyes, examining what's new and improved and what still needs work. So by the end of this video, you'll know whether GoHighLevel is worth it for your business, how it compares, and what to consider. What is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is a cloud-based platform that combines multiple marketing and sales tools into one. It's designed primarily for agencies, service-based businesses, and consultants who manage clients and campaigns. The core components include a funnel and website builder, email and SMS marketing, CRM and pipeline management, appointment calendars, reputation management, memberships, and a white label SaaS mode. GoHighLevel aims to replace tools like ClickFunnels, MailChimp, Calendly, HubSpot, Teachable, and Twilio, consolidating them into a single interface. The platform offers unlimited contacts and users on its plans, which is one of its differentiators. So instead of paying for contacts or seats, you pay a flat monthly fee. GoHighLevel has expanded its features to include AI-driven conversation and voice tools, an e-commerce store, improved membership functionality, and deeper analytics. The company continues to release updates regularly, adding new templates, snapshots for specific industries, and refining the user experience based on feedback. Key features: funnel and website builder. GoHighLevel's funnel builder allows you to create landing pages, sales pages, upsell pages, and thank you pages. The drag and drop interface supports elements like forms, videos, timers, and custom code. You can clone funnels, test different versions, and track conversions. The website builder functions similarly, letting you design multi-page sites with blog capabilities. In 2025, GoHighLevel added more responsive templates, improved loading speeds, and better SEO controls. CRM and pipeline management. A robust CRM is at the heart of GoHighLevel. You can store unlimited contacts, segment them with tags, add custom fields, and track interactions. The pipeline management system provides visual boards where you move deals through stages such as lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and won. You can attach tasks, notes, and files to each contact. This system helps teams stay organized, ensures no lead is forgotten, and provides visibility into potential revenue. Automation and workflows. Automation is one of GoHighLevel's biggest strengths. Workflows let you create sequences triggered by events like form submissions, pipeline stage changes, appointment bookings, or missed calls. Actions can include sending emails, sending SMS messages, making voice drops, updating contact fields, creating tasks, or triggering webhooks. You can use if/else conditions to branch logic and deliver personalized experiences. For example, if a lead opens an email but doesn't click, you can send a follow-up text. If they book a call, you can stop the sequence. GoHighLevel introduced AI conversation and voice recently. The platform can now handle basic customer inquiries using AI-driven chat or voice responses, reducing response times and freeing up staff. While this feature is still evolving, it shows the company's commitment to staying at the forefront of automation. Email and SMS marketing. GoHighLevel integrates email and SMS directly into its workflows. You can send broadcasts to segments, automate drip campaigns, and personalize messages using contact fields. Deliverability has improved with the option to use dedicated SMTP services, ensuring that emails land in inboxes rather than spam. SMS features include two-way texting, bulk campaigns, and appointment reminders. GoHighLevel's usage-based pricing for SMS and phone calls means you pay for what you use. The platform recently added more automation triggers for missed calls and voicemails, helping you follow up promptly. Calendars and appointment scheduling. So the calendar feature allows you to create booking calendars for yourself or your team. You can define availability, set buffer times, and integrate with Google Calendar or Outlook. Calendars can be embedded on funnel pages or shared directly. When someone books, GoHighLevel automatically sends confirmation and reminders via email and SMS. New features include group bookings for webinars or group coaching sessions, and more customization of appointment types. Reputation management. GoHighLevel includes a reputation tool that helps businesses collect and manage reviews. You can send review requests via SMS or email, directing satisfied customers to post on platforms like Google or Facebook. Negative feedback can be routed to a private form to address issues internally. This feature helps local businesses improve their online reputation and increase credibility. Membership and e-commerce. The membership feature lets you create and sell courses or content. You can structure lessons, drip content, set access levels, and track member progress. GoHighLevel has enhanced its membership area with better video hosting, quizzes, and certification options. The newly developed e-commerce store allows you to sell physical products and manage orders within the platform. While it's not as advanced as dedicated e-commerce tools like Shopify, for example, it provides a convenient way to add merchandise to your service offerings. White label SaaS mode. For agencies, one of the most compelling features is the white label SaaS mode. You can rebrand GoHighLevel with your own logo, colors, and domain. You can create sub-accounts for clients, set pricing, and sell the software as your own. GoHighLevel handles the infrastructure, updates, and security while you focus on marketing and supporting your clients. The platform has also improved its SaaS mode with automated billing via Stripe, usage reporting, and more API integrations. This allows agencies to build recurring revenue streams beyond service fees. Pricing. So GoHighLevel's pricing remains structured in 3 tiers: the starter, the unlimited, and the SaaS Pro. The starter plan costs $97 per month, and it includes 1 business account with 3 sub-accounts and all the core features: funnels, websites, calendars, email and SMS marketing, workflows, and membership. The unlimited plan costs $297 per month and allows unlimited sub-accounts, making it ideal for agencies. The SaaS Pro plan costs $497 per month, and this unlocks white label capabilities, the mobile app, and advanced API features. All plans offer unlimited users and contacts. Additional costs include usage fees for SMS, phone calls, and email sending. These fees depend on volume and rates negotiated with Twilio or other providers. Now, some features such as dedicated IP addresses for email and HIPAA compliance require add-ons or higher tier plans. Now, despite these extras, many agencies find that GoHighLevel replaces several other subscriptions, ultimately saving money. Pros of GoHighLevel. Number 1, comprehensive feature set. GoHighLevel continues to offer a wide range of tools in one platform, reducing the need for multiple subscriptions. 2, unlimited users and contacts. Unlike many platforms that charge per seat or contact, GoHighLevel's flat pricing is budget-friendly for growing businesses. 3, advanced automation. Workflows allow complex sequences across email, SMS, and voice, with new AI capabilities enhancing responsiveness. 4, white label SaaS opportunity. Agencies can rebrand the platform and resell it, creating recurring revenue. 5, regular updates. The company frequently releases new features and improvements based on user feedback, such as enhanced e-commerce, AI, and reporting. 6, community and support. An active community of users, training resources, and responsive support make it easier to learn and troubleshoot. 7, industry snapshots. Pre-built templates for specific niches help new users get started quickly. Cons of GoHighLevel in 2025. Number 1, learning curve. The depth of features can be overwhelming. New users may need time to learn and set up the platform effectively. 2, user interface. While it's improving, the interface can feel clunky compared to some specialized tools. Designing pages and navigating settings might require some patience. 3, usage costs. SMS and phone usage fees can add up. Heavy communicators need to monitor their costs closely or use different tools. 4, e-commerce limitations. The e-commerce store is still basic compared to platforms like Shopify. Businesses with large catalogs might need a dedicated e-commerce tool. 5, reliance on Twilio. Phone and SMS functions depend on Twilio, which adds another layer of setup and potential complexities. 6, compliance considerations. Features like HIPAA compliance require additional steps and costs. Businesses in regulated industries must ensure the platform meets their needs. Ideal users. GoHighLevel serves a range of different businesses, but it's particularly well suited to marketing agencies. Agencies benefit from unlimited sub-accounts, CRM white label options, and the ability to resell the platform. They can manage multiple clients, run campaigns, and monitor results from one dashboard. Service providers. Coaches, consultants, gyms, chiropractors, and real estate agents use GoHighLevel to capture leads, schedule appointments, and automate follow-up. High-ticket sales teams. Businesses selling high-value services need multi-touch communications. The platform's automation and CRM help nurture leads over longer cycles. Course creators. Those selling courses can use membership sites and email marketing to deliver content and upsell products. If you run a simple e-commerce store, blog, or content site, GoHighLevel may offer more features than you need. Specialized tools like Shopify, WordPress, or Teachable might be better fits for those scenarios. Alternatives to consider. Now, while GoHighLevel is powerful, it's not the only option. Depending on your needs, you might also consider HubSpot, a robust CRM with marketing, sales, and service hubs. It offers extensive features but can become expensive as you scale. ClickFunnels. Ideal for building high-converting sales funnels quickly. It lacks deep CRM or automation, but it is easy to use. ActiveCampaign. A strong email marketing and automation platform with CRM functionality. It doesn't offer funnels or membership sites. Kartra, another all-in-one solution with funnels, email, membership, and help desk features. It's positioned between ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel in terms of complexity. System.io, a budget-friendly, all-in-one platform suitable for solopreneurs or small businesses. It lacks advanced automation and CRM, but is easy to use. Compare these options based on your budget, required features, and scaling plans. A combination of tools may sometimes be more effective than one platform trying to do everything. But if you do want to get started with GoHighLevel, we've got a link for you down in the description below. Now, GoHighLevel remains a compelling choice. Its strengths lie in consolidating multiple tools, providing powerful automation, and enabling agencies to scale. The addition of AI features shows the company's commitment to innovation. If you're an agency, coach, consultant, or service provider who manages clients and campaigns, GoHighLevel is likely worth the investment. You'll need to invest time in learning the platform and monitoring usage costs, but the payoff is efficiency and control. So for businesses with simpler needs, GoHighLevel might be overkill. The learning curve and depth of features could distract you from your core activities. In that case, a more focused tool or a combination of specialized services might be better. Always consider a free trial or demo to see how the platform feels. Evaluate your current tool stack and how much you could save or gain in efficiency by switching. So GoHighLevel is a mature, feature-rich platform, and it continues to evolve. It's not perfect, but its value proposition remains super strong for the right users. So take the time to map out your processes, understand the platform's capabilities, and determine whether it aligns with your business goals. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to keep making free GoHighLevel tutorials, walkthroughs, and deep dives. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another GoHighLevel breakdown. Here on GoHighLevel Mastery, we teach you how to get more clients, automate smarter, and grow your business using GoHighLevel the right way, whether you're brand new or leveling up. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.